This is a quick all you need to know review of this avocado cutter. I am all about fun and smart gadgets in the kitchen, and after this product been hyped for a while, I couldn't resist. It is a 3-in-1 avocado slicer, and who doesn't love a multifunctional kitchen tool? So with this slicer, you can both slice the avocado, you can peel it, and you can remove the avocado pit. I really like the durability of the material. It is lightweight, but still very sturdy. The stainless steel is easy to clean and feels very hygienic. The slicer part is sharp enough for you to cut perfect pieces of your avocado. The seed remover is green plastic. I was a little worried that it wouldn't work for all sizes avocado, but it is pretty easy to move it in a way where you get the most out of your avocado. Overall, I find this to be a really smart tool. It is a perfect addition to my kitchen and for my avocado toast, so I am happy with the purchase and can definitely recommend it. You can buy it with confidence.